In this video, you will learn how to access the Okta Admin Console login page when the default app for the sign-in widget is enabled. If you are unable to log into your Okta tenant after making changes to the default sign-in settings, there is no need to panic. What you need to do is to open up a web browser, and then instead of typing the regular URL for your tenant, navigate to your subdomain.okta.com/login/default, and then simply use your credentials to log in as you will normally do. If you are still having trouble signing in after watching this video, feel free to reach out to our support team for assistance. Thank you for watching.